Use YouTube in background. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use YouTube in background, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now using YouTube in background is very simple, but for this you basically need to have a YouTube premium. So when you open up YouTube, you need to make sure that you have premium. Then just come to the profile page, tap on the gear icon here, then just go to general. Then just make sure to turn on picture in picture mode. There will also be another option known as backgrounds and downloads, so you can turn that on. Then tap on background play and then turn on always on. Remember that for background play you need to have premium. Now from here what I do is, if I simply select a certain video here, even if I switch to another app, I can simply still watch that video. Even if I turn off my screen like this, in the background it is actually still playing, as you can see. So this is how you can do it, but as I said, you need to have premium in order to do so. So hope this video helped you as to how you can use YouTube in background. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.